Our final destination in the Philippines is Coron. Our wonderful boat tour put us ashore here and we spent a couple of days on this small and beautiful island. We relaxed at the saltwater hot spring, enjoyed the nightlife, and of course went on the famous Super Ultra Deluxe tour, visiting the Twin Lagoon and Baracuda Lake, amongst many more spots. We made our way to the Maquinit Hot Springs. It's a saltwater hot spring and it's one of the only saltwater hot springs in the world. A half-hour bumpy ride out of town. You have dressing rooms there, showers and a little shop where you can buy food, so you can just bring a towel and swimming clothes and you're good to go. The water is very nice and warm and the atmosphere here was so nice. Especially during sundown, it's beautiful here with all the little lights turned on. In the evening after dinner, we went to Bar where there's live music and very nice beers. The most popular thing to do here is the Super Ultimate Tour, which will take you to 7 must-see spots. It totally depends on your tour company, but ours didn't provide snorkeling gear, so make sure to bring one or hire it on the shore. The boat is fully stuffed with people and a bit hectic, but it does the trick and takes you to all the beautiful spots. The limestones you see here formed about 260 million years ago as a coral reef along the length of Southeast Asia, and it was part of the China continental crust. The rocks were uplifted by tectonism 30 million years ago and eroded by waves and monsoon rains. The limestone crops rise up to 400 meters above sea level. Twin Lagoon is the famous Instagram picture spot, and it's hidden behind giant rock formations. So you have to swim and squeeze yourself between the rocks to enter this beautiful lagoon. The water here is very calm since it's shielded from the wind. So it's very deep here. Just don't have to think about how deep it is here because it's super scary.
I actually do like the best.
Yeah, it's so easy.
I prefer like this.
Our second stop was the Coral Garden, a beautiful reef in shallow water. You can see huge clams here and the bottom is packed with spiky blue coral. Our third stop was CYC Beach, a small beach in the middle of the sea, surrounded by beautiful vegetation and trees in the water with amazing root structures. Then it was time to have lunch at Beach 91, and this was such a beautiful place to have lunch and sit down for a bit after all the swimming we did. With beautiful powdery sand, the sun was shining, and we had some nice drinks and a nice fish, some fried noodles and fresh fruit. Next up was Baracuda Lake, probably the most popular destination here in Coron due to the huge rock formations that you can see underwater. If you're afraid of depths underwater like me, you're gonna have a hard time since it's about 40 meters deep here, but it's very much worth it. The name itself already gives away that there are barracuda swimming in this lake, and we got very lucky. We saw one when we were in there and it was very cool. It was just one barracuda, but we all swam after it and got a glimpse of the animal. Our last stop was Kayangang Lake, and you have to climb a fair amount of steps to get up here. There's also a very nice view from up here since you're very high. There's a line to take pictures. And then you can just climb down and you'll reach the lake, and it's crystal clear water. It's very impressive. And the water here is 30% fresh water and 70% salt water. And you have this really cute fish. They just swim under the surface of the water and they're very funny to look at. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. Next up is Malaysia.